Hello everyone, we are from Group 3, Class 2 IUP in the Basic of Environmental Health course. Want to give you a little insight about soil pollution and innovation to overcome it. The purpose of making this video is to fulfill the final project in the Basic of Environmental Health course. Our group member consists of: first, it's me, Septi Agustin Room; second, Nazila Faizatuniha; third, Ayu Fitri Dewi; fourth, Evita Juliana Prihandini; and fifth, Kusnatun Lestari. So, without any further ado, let's get to the topic.
Soil is an important part in supporting the life of living things on Earth. As we know, the food chain starts with plants. Humans and animals live from plants. Even though some plants and animals live in the sea, most of our food comes from the land surface. When a hazardous or toxic substance has polluted the soil surface, it can evaporate, be washed away by rainwater, and or enter the soil. Pollution that enters the soil is then deposited as toxic chemicals in the soil. Toxic substance in the soil can have a direct impact on humans.
Soil pollution is a condition where the soil is polluted in the surface area or even underground. This pollution is caused by the presence of pollutants or contaminants that contaminate the soil. Soil pollution can occur due to many factors, but is generally caused by human activities. The presence of very toxic and dangerous chemicals such as petroleum hydrocarbons, heavy metals, and pesticides cause soil pollution to occur. This soil pollution is one of the causes of damage to human health and also to the health of the flora and fauna.
Soil pollution is not a simple problem. In other words, soil pollution is one of the problems that need to be given great attention. Pollution that occurs on the soil is caused by the deposition of waste materials, both in the form of solid waste and liquid waste. The deposition occurs at the surface of the soil to below the ground. This deposition process can pollute the soil and of course groundwater as well.
Impact of soil pollution. If there is soil pollution, then of course various impacts will occur. The following are some of the consequences that will be borne if soil pollution already occurs. First, disrupt health. Do not be negligent. Soil pollution that occur can cause health problems for humans. For example, kidney damage, liver disease, chronic disease, and other diseases. This can be caused by inadvertently inhaling gas from polluted soil.
2. Lowering agricultural yield. The impact of soil pollution is that it can reduce agricultural yields. As a result of damaged soil due to contaminated waste, many plants are lacking in nutrition. Crop failure is one of the impacts of the soil pollution. In addition, cultivated plants become dry and yellow quickly.
The impact of soil pollution number 3 is lowering soil fertility level. Soil pollution that occurs continuously without any effort to overcome it will eventually reduce the level of soil fertility. The longer the condition of the soil will be damaged, so it can no longer to use for farming. Therefore, you need to know the cause of soil pollution in order to prevent these things.
Fourth, trigger other pollution. Soil pollution can also trigger other environmental pollution, such as air and water pollution. You need to know that underground water reserves are stored. If the soil is polluted, automatically the water below the ground will also be polluted. In addition, gases from soil pollution that are discharged into the air will also cause air pollution.
One of the biggest causes of soil pollution is plastic waste. Plastic waste can also be a problem for soil fertility. Moreover, in Indonesia itself, plastic waste is still a serious problem that needs to be addressed. All parties need to step in carefully to control plastic waste, including us as a society that want a healthy environment.
Plastic is a type of material that is close to everyday life. When we eat, drink from a bottle, carry things, or wrap something, maybe not a few of us use plastic. The use of plastic continues to increase along with the needs of society, so that plastic cannot be separated from our life.
But without us realizing it, we actually contribute to increasing the amount of plastic waste that is increasingly mounting and difficult to decompose. According to the data from the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing, Indonesia plastic production ranks second in terms of domestic waste, namely 5.4 million tons per year.
For the environment, plastic can cause pollution, pollute soil, water, and air. In soil, plastic can block the absorption of water and sunlight, thereby reducing soil fertility and can cause flooding. Plastic waste contributes 90% of the loss in the oceans. Therefore, take care of our health and the environment by choosing and managing plastic properly. If processed with a little care in it, plastic can be turned into an economic product. One of them is to make a selection of the waste so that the waste can be processed again.
Getting used to throwing garbage in its place is still a hard work for the people of Indonesia. Although in public places there are three types of trash cans based on their type, many people still throw their trash away without paying attention to the appropriate place.
To solve this problem, a teenager named Ryan Timothy Abisha had the idea to create a smart trash can, which is called the Smart Trash Bin. The student installed a sensor that can recognize the type of waste before someone throws it away. In this trash can, several high-tech electronic devices are able to sort the waste. This smart trash can has a number of components, namely a sensor in charge of sorting, 3 trash cans for organic, inorganic iron waste, and a circuit. The way it works is quite simple. People who want to dispose of their trash simply attach their trash to the sensor, like this, that is placed on top of the trash can. After that, the sensor will give a signal to open the lid of the trash according to the category. By opening the lid, one of these trash bins, it means that's where our trash can dispose of. This is intentionally made to make it easier for waste to be separated according to